Now it's raining hard and the wind. The wind blew my door open. Okay. All right. Oh no, the rain has slacked up a little bit. It's raining hard. Well, it was. Jesus. So it's raining hard right now, y'all. Before I started live streaming, I asked God to let it rain hard again. But guess what? I guess He gave me my wish. God knows that my live stream and my show is very important. You know. It's raining very hard. Today's still October the 9th, 2020. Okay? Or should I say 2020? Well, I wonder how my baby doing. Talking about Shamika, how she doing? Yeah, she my baby. Yeah, I said it. Okay. Shamika, if you're watching this, yeah, I'm calling you that. That's if she gonna ever watch this. I bet her best friend Ro is watching this. Yeah, she'll be like, "Why you calling my sister baby?" That's exactly what she'll probably say. Yep. Oh, the rain is slowing down. Y'all think I should come back and live stream again if the street floods? I think I will. You know. All right. I just love doing live streams, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. That's if I upload this to YouTube, because I'm taking so long putting my Facebook live videos on YouTube. You know, because of a computer problem. So, as Hurricane Delta make landfall, you know, as Hurricane Delta make landfall, I'm just doing what I'm supposed to do, you know. Well, whatever about the hurricane and all that, y'all can watch the Weather Channel, you know. The meteorologist on there gonna tell y'all about a cat 2, 3, 4, 5, you know. Thank God they don't have a category 6 hurricanes, you know. And I wonder if Dominique gonna watch this. You know, some of y'all seen Dominique on my show before. I'm talking about Dominique Peters. You know, so y'all seen her on my show before. You know. I'll talk about what I did for her another time. You know, keep her from crying. You know, but at least I put a smile on her face. You know, even though she was feeling bad, she told me she wasn't feeling well. Well, I'll talk about that another time. She could watch this show anytime. Her mom gonna probably watch this show anytime. She'll be like, "Oh, mama, come see this." She probably will say that. I guarantee she'll say, "Ma, come listen to this." And speaking of her mom, though, she was very happy how I took care of her daughter. You know, first she called her a sister. I like sister, my daughter. That's better. Well, I should talk about that another time. Okay. So if y'all if y'all watch my birthday videos and stuff like that, y'all. I haven't uploaded it yet. Sometimes I upload it in pieces. Before I edit the episode together, I upload it individually in pieces. Okay, all right, y'all. That's all y'all need to know. All right, all right. And rest in peace to my grandmother, though. At least I had on the show. Thank the Lord I had my grandmother on the show. God is good all the time. Oh, excuse me. All right. I mean, 4 family members passed back to back. Well, two at the end of 2009, two at the beginning of 2010. Okay. My auntie Linda, Joyce, my mama's godmother in 2009, and and said, do y'all know Big Play? My cousin Big Play. Yep. So that's out. Then we had and then my Uncle Calvin passed away. In 2010. That was right before that was right before I met Tanya. Before I started recording, it was raining hard. Had to look out and everything. So I hurried up and grabbed my camera, and here I am. Okay. Well, because some people say it floods easily around here during the rain. When it be heavy rain. So I'm gonna let y'all know if it snows out here in New Orleans. I'm gonna film the snow like I did a couple of years ago. Yeah, my mama was alive that time. You know. Yeah, my mama was still here. That was about 4 months before she passed away. You know. Paramedics, or should I say ambulance. It's mean the same thing. Ambulance, paramedics, you name it. Dang, the rain stopped, but well, not all the way. Some tricky weather right here. Now to put the camera on me. I mean, I mean, it was raining hard just now. You know. But what am I gonna call this episode? Who knows? Yeah, I'm kind of quiet right now. You know. All right. Yeah, the water dripping from trees too. You know. Look over here. Gotta catch at a moment. You know. All right, the wind blowing now. Thought they was gonna dump some more rain. I bet when I step inside, it'll home, it'll rain hard. You know, the rain is moving in and out, in and out, in and out. You know. I'll probably come back when it rains again. Oh well, whatever. Bye.